Our march this morning. We're privileged to be here with you. We're almost there. Thank you so much for sticking with us. You know, the Women's March is strong still. Right now we are going to introduce Bekah Wolf. Born and raised in Santa Fe, is an immigration and human rights attorney. She currently works for New Mexico Immigrant Law Center and runs the Access to Legal Services program at the Cibola Immigrant Detention Center. Bekah?
Hey folks, I feel kind of totally out of place up here, which I'm really grateful for. Out of place. Am I not loud enough? That's very rare for me. I had a whole speech written, and then I was like, actually, everyone before me is going to say it a lot better than I will. So I just, with the permission of the folks on the stage, I'd like to take 30 seconds to address my white and Jewish brothers and sisters. That's not my speech. Thanks. That's someone else's speech. So, for my white family, for my Jewish family that are here, and particularly for those who are not here today, I want to speak to us about what our role is, because there is a role for us in these intersectional movements for radical social change, not just liberal social change, but radical social change. And the role, as I see it, for us is to be out there. And what we need to be doing is sitting and listening and acknowledging our privileges, acknowledging our prejudices, screwing up, as we do a lot, and getting back up and doing it again. And I was asked by some people that I work with. I did, in my introduction, I'm an attorney, and I said I would make sure to tell everybody that lawyers save no one, lawyers free no one, people free people, and so I was asked by a woman that I have had the great privilege to work with for over a year. Her name is Alejandra. She's a trans woman from El Salvador, and she's been in a detention center here in the state of New Mexico for over a year. And the lawyers, you know, we've been trying our best. But as I said, lawyers don't free people, people free people. And Alejandra is, as all of anyone in detention, anywhere for any reason, first of all. Second of all, particularly folks who are migrating from across the borders that white folks have created, as other people have more brilliantly said before me, and particularly in our case for our trans family who experienced unbelievable abuses while in detention. We need to get all of them, but specifically today, Alejandra free. So you know, I'm not that old. So we have a hashtag. It looks like this. It is Free Alejandra. Please check it out. We are not speaking on behalf of Alejandra, but in support of Alejandra and other folks at the Cibola Detention Center. We're asking you all to please contact your Congress people to ask them to intervene directly with ICE. Fun fact, ICE has the power to release people. ICE, just the dudes in the office out in Albuquerque, have the power to release people in immigrant detention immediately.
Really?
I know, that's why you have an immigration lawyer up here to explain this stuff. Yes. So for many, not all, but for many of asylum seekers and folks in detention, ICE has the authority to release people. And so we're asking folks to use our people power to ask ICE to release Alejandra and everyone, in fact, in detention. So I have, y'all, I am so cold I can't even stop to wait. Okay, and so I have one sort of non sequitur at the end because I have to do this. And my t-shirt, it's too cold to really show it, but it's important. And on behalf of my beautiful, on behalf of my beautiful, brilliant, Muslim Palestinian daughter, I have to say, Palestine is a feminist issue. None of us will be free until we're all free.